So here it is, what, February 11th?
11th.
No, it's the 14th, right? Valentine's Day.
Tuesday. No, that's Tuesday.
Tuesday,
So
okay,
it's,
so it's 12th.
it's the 12th.
And it's like 50-something degrees.
Yeah.
Is that a Chinese spy balloon?
What?
No, that's the sun.
No, it's Jiffy Pop.
Oh, yeah. So this is we have here the remains of the spy balloon.
We shot it down.
The UFO.
We just shot this down over the perimeter.
Yes.
We think it was being remote controlled by Ned, the twin triplet.
We're gonna do popcorn with Jiffy Pop. Have you ever done Jiffy Pop before? No.
So we're just gonna do this. And go pop, pop, pop.
That's right. Yeah, and we're gonna do it over the fire. So what we're gonna do is we bought this at the Army barracks, and it's a folding camp stove with fuel. It only costs $10, and you get 24 tabs of solidified alcohol, or otherwise known as Nesbit or
Hexamine.
Hexamine. There we go. Thank you.
Say,
Thank you, guy
Esbet.
on the other
Say,
side.
okay, on 1, 2, 3.
Hexamine and Nesbit, or Esbet. It's made out of hexabine or Esbet. We'll have the editor edit that.
Anyway.
So we're gonna take this out, and you're gonna hold the popcorn. So let's see. So we're gonna take it right out of the box here, and this is how it comes, like this.
Yep, that's how it goes.
That's how it goes, and we just open it up.
Yeah.
And then
we
here,
take 'em out.
yeah, those are the fuel tabs. There's 24 of those guys. Okay, and we're just gonna set it on here just so it's up a ways. Little tabs, little fuel tabs. They're kind of cute.
Yeah, they're kind of cute.
Okay, we're gonna do 4 of these tabs.
1, 2.
Okay, so there are
So
4
there's
tabs.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 tabs, and
4 tabs.
I'm gonna light them with this lighter, so there's gonna be a flame. Okay, so you want to keep your hands away. All right. Oh, maybe.
They burn them.
Yeah. Are they all burning?
Rooster says what?
Oh, look at that. I always loved as a little kid the little spirals in this. Do not remove this tab. Follow all directions. We did not read the directions. But I'm old school. I know how to do it. Okay, so we're going to set this on there and let it heat up a little bit. It may. Oh, you can see the fire coming right out from underneath there. You see that?
Yeah. Well,
It's going to be fun.
yeah, but I can hear the pop.
Look at that flame. That's pretty good. We have a little bit of wind today. Too long that way. Uh-oh. Oh,
I let it go.
Oh, Jesus.
Chickens will love it.
Oh, they're coming
The
out
birds, you know.
Stop tipping it that. Stop tipping it.
Chickens are gonna love it.
Just get a bowl and just.
I guess the chickens are getting popcorn today.
Can I have one?
Hang on.
Okay, it's hot, Katie.
Then why is she trying
Aw.
it?
Get a blowout. It's on fire! No, it's on fire!
You're feeding the fire.
What game is try?
I don't think this one's working out.
I can blow puffer and
It's on fire right now.
Oh, Jesus. Yes, it is.
I can do that.
We're on fire. So here we go. Disaster.
Chickens will say they reserve the right to
Yeah, the
change their
chickens.
opinion because they're under there eating it already.
Chickens will eat it for sure.
2, 3, 4.
That's good. Put them right on there. Maybe we should do more than 4. You put the 4 on. Just drop them. Just drop them right on there. We're going to redo this because we have another Jiffy Pop. We bought 2. We're going to try it again. We're bound and determined to have some popcorn.
Well, I figured the chickens would eat it.
It's hot. Be careful. Just set it down. They all on there?
Yep.
All right, here we go again.
Hope Batman doesn't get burned.
Those things burn fast. It says 9 minutes per.
Maybe because you did multiple, they fed off each other and.
So I need to retry. Oh no, it's going.
It's going.
Yeah, they'll catch when you put them up there.
All right. Let's see if we can do this right. It has been a few years since I've made Jiffy Pop. And I've never used it on one of these stoves before.
Yeah.
So what do you think?
I don't know.
Are we gonna do it right this time? Second time's a charm?
Yeah, if we don't throw it down there.
If we don't throw it down there, but it was on fire.
If it does.
Oh yeah.
If it doesn't pop out again.
No, I think we did it this
We
time.
might.
We're in luck. That one was much better. Ooh,
Whoa!
you see it now, Katie?
Look at it.
Wow, that's so big. That's so huge.
Well, a puckle one. I would say.
That might be it. Okay, we're gonna open our popcorn.
Yeah, and then when we're done opening, wow, that was cool.
Look at that. That went from flat.
Yeah.
Go ahead, try a piece. See if it came out good.
Yummy.
Oh yeah, nice and
Mommy,
buttery.
Mom,
Mommy, try some. Turn to my apple pie ginger ale.
I don't mind.
Did we do a good job this time?
Yeah, that's much better than
We didn't burn it up. We didn't have a blowout. So that little folding stove did a pretty good job the second try, but you know, takes a little bit to get used to it. I've never used one before, so that was pretty good. Anyway, just thought we'd show you some funny video of cooking some popcorn anyway.
Yep.
So, yep. So what do you want to say? Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Toodaloo.
Toodaloo.
Bye guys.